High above Barcelona, a stadium is being rebuilt piece by piece, beam by beam. This is Global Megabuilds, and today we return to Spotify Camp Nou, where a relentless week of work has pushed nearly every corner of the site forward. From a diamond pod now fully decked to a compression ring closing in on its next great milestone, there is a great deal of ground to cover. Let us begin in the lateral sector. The diamond pod that used to be the runt of the litter is unrecognizable now. Decking panels cover almost the whole upper surface, and crews are up there stripping out temporary tie rings as they close out the finish work. Its wing-like profile, dipping in the middle and lifting on both sides, makes it easy to pick out from its neighbors. Behind it, teams are hanging anchor guide rails for the mobility cores one section at a time, though a stretch further along is still bare. Two ceramic louver panels that had been rolled up and parked for weeks are finally unrolled and locked into place. A second pod close by is still fully boxed in formwork with barely any activity. Expect that shell to come off by week's end if the cure timeline holds. A separate crew was also spotted cross-checking one of the mobility cores against the drawings before signing off. Here's your headline: the ring is racing toward Tribuna. Near the store diamond, two radial beams and their pillars are fully set on false work, cleared for the next move, stacking phalange boxes on top. Aerial lifts are already working that stretch, and the anchor bolts have anti-corrosion coating on one face, with the opposite side still exposed. The tower crane is the marker everyone's watching, and while the ring hasn't reached it yet, the current pace says it won't be long. More phalange boxes have gone in since our last check, tightening the curve bit by bit. At the north goal Tribuna corner, ceramic louver brackets are already deep into the lower soffit, with just the top corner still needing panels. South goal ceramic louver brackets are fully and across all three levels on the right side. Only the left remains. Next up, anchor points, then the louvers themselves. Interior sandwich panel work wrapped 2 weeks back, and now crews are shifting to the exterior face while scaffolding still comes down inside. Two more long-rolled ceramic louver panels have finally gone up near the mobility cores, and fresh C-Flex crates just landed to keep the momentum going once the overhead beams get their white coating finished. The Tribuna-facing corner keeps extending its ceramic louver coverage, with a fresh truckload of panels ready for the steep lower soffit run. A small 3-louver gap is being left deliberately here, same as other junctions across the build. Anchor bolts are still needed before the louvers can continue going in. Mobility core beams just got their gray top coat, prepping for sandwich panels. Older louver sections have shed their protective wrap. Newer ones haven't yet. Nearby, a facade diamond is nearly topped out. Just a strip left to pour. Long dormant facade diamond finally got its first 2 glazing brackets and its access door frame. Real progress after a long, quiet stretch. Up top, sleeper beams are being craned into place for the roof structure, and cable routing continues along the cantilever edge. One mobility core here is fully clad. Another hasn't seen new panels in days. Another productive day has brought Spotify Camp Nou one step closer to its transformation. From fully decked diamond pods to the compression ring steadily advancing toward Tribuna, every area of the project continues moving forward. We'll be back with another construction update as more milestones are reached. If you enjoyed today's report, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Global Megabuilds update.